Hello everyone, now I am going to discuss the second part. If we have created the slanted wall, so how we are going to place a slanted door and the window. So there is option door and the windows, or how we are going to place. So for first, the same as usual, we have to just create the wall again. I am just showing you, just selecting the wall we have just created. Again, same option we have already discussed my in the previous video. Again, select, there is option is the called cross section, just select the slanted and just providing the angle is, suppose we need the 5 degree, click and go to the view, and there is option is called the 3D. So here you can see, so just select the, if you need to change the height, how we just place, there is a 4000, we need to 3000, so you can change the 3000, and there is option is the called the match property. You do not need to click one by one, so just click the match property, ma, click option. So where is the match property option is here, just go to the modify tabs, there is a, where is modify option, see, you can see it from there. Now I am going to place the door, see I am just placing one door, just selecting this door, I am just placing. After placing the door, so you can see it, sir, it is not placed in the proper positions. So how, why it's not positioned? So what I am going to do, just select the door. After selecting the door, so there is option is called orientation. So in this orientation, just select, and this is called slanted, just click on the slanted, just put the cursor here, see how we have mapped. See, selected door is totally fixed. So if you need the window, same option, click on the window. If you need the different types of window, just select the window option is here, so you can just place it, the window is here. And if we just move it from the here, see, if you need to draw the section, suppose we need view options, just click the section, and right now I am going to draw a section. Is after selection, see there is option called section option is here, so where this is the called we create the section, see double one, see it is not placed in the proper positions. So selecting the door window, and from here just select the vertical option is here, just select the slanted here, see its total proper position. So this is the way we can easily make, so place our door and window in a proper position. See, the door is fixed. If you need the different types of door, all the doors are available here. If you need the different doors, so you can select any types of door, just place it here, just click the cursor, and door is, see, selecting, and again select this option, this is the slanted wall, just select the, see we can easily select the door. So like this we can easily create the slanted door is here. So there is option called the set, just click the pick plane, okay, just select, there is a option is called just show option is here, we have choose, see this is, right now we need to draw, just write any names, how we have to draw the 3D, just go to the 3D model text, we can just write, here is the techno, 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 okay, just click it here. Right now you can just put the cursor here, so you can even, you can with the help of plane you can set like this, so you can make each and everything as per as your requirement. Thank you very for watching. The further again we are going to discuss the new features in Revit 2020. If anyone want to learn the from the initial initial levels or Revit architecture structure MEP, we are going to make all the videos. So I like to request each and everyone, please like and subscribe, and definitely we will go further. Thank you very much for